Hi everybody, it is me, LT, and welcome back to another video. So, if you're joining me in this video, it is because you saw the title above and you have decided that you want to join me on this journey of getting long, luscious hair. Not that I have long and luscious hair. Starting this video off, this is going to be my 5 tips for you. Yes, girl, you. To retain hair length and make sure that your hair, like how to protect your hair during this cold winter season, because if you have curly hair, a lot of us suffer from breakage. Not in any particular order, and disclaimer, I am not a expert. I am just here from one curly girl to another curly girl to tell you guys what's going on and what I have discovered, and maybe it can help you, maybe it can't help you, but if it does, I'm glad that it does. But before we get into this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. But with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, we're going to be doing these 5 hair tips for retaining and protecting your hair during the winter season. A little bit about my hair. I have 3C4A low porosity color treated hair. Number 1, keeping your hair covered at night with a scarf or bonnet, or preferably both. Keeping your hair covered at night is super important. If you're anything like me, sleeping during the night, you'd be rolling, tossing, turning, rumbling in your sleep. And that bonnet, she's not there to play. She's there to keep you protected. She's there to keep your curls covered, anointed, keep all them oils that you spend a lot of money for. I used to be super bad about wearing a bonnet. I'm a pineapple in my hair kind of girly and go. Bonnet and scarf, I now use a bonnet and a scarf to wrap my hair up at night, just because my hair has gotten to like a length where that's what we do. Number 2 tip is to make sure that you are deep conditioning at least 2 times a month, if not weekly, depending on your wash schedule, of course. I wash my hairs on Wednesdays and Sundays. During these treatments, I do a deep condition on Wednesday. Wednesday is my like super intense wash day. I know some people only wash their hair like maybe once a week. I would recommend that you deep condition every time you wash your hair, or at least try and do a deep conditioner every other time you wash your hair, so at least twice a month, especially in the winter season, because the winter is very drying on your curls and it's very harsh. And definitely recommend adding a deep conditioner. Will change your life. My 3rd tip, low manipulation hairstyles are your friends. Me and a wash and go, we're solid. I have a wash and go video coming out soon. Stay tuned. Anyway, low manipulation hairstyles are hairstyles that you maybe do like on a Monday, and then you just kind of have to like lightly refresh throughout the week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I have a low manipulation hairstyle right now. I did this actually today, and it's just going to sit in my hair for like the next couple of days. But it's like super easy, and it's a way for me to not have to continue to touch my hair, which leads to breakage. And that's what we're trying to avoid, because what are we trying to do? Retain length and protect our hair. My 4th tip, and if you haven't been listening to this whole video, listen here. Stop buying products that are not made for your hair. Let me say it again, because you wasn't listening. Stop buying products that are not made for your hair. Curly hair products are not a one size fits all. Don't care what nobody say. You have to buy products that are for your hair type, your hair density. If that is an issue, you have to really do your research. You have to look into people. I've been doing research for years, girls. Years. So you have to do that research. You have to buy products that are meant for your hair. You will see so much growth. You'll see so much such better quality of your hair. Recently, I got hooked onto this new combination of products. She's really changed my life. I was ready to cut my hair off. I was like, oh, like, it's not working. It's not working for me no more. These hair things are not for me no more. But you know what? It's okay, because Miss Raina, Miss Happy Curl Girl, she delivered me from evil.
My baby's represented home, and people started thinking that I was doing drugs, and people thought that it was me.
So make sure that you are buying products that are meant for your hair. That is the best way that you're gonna like see what works for you, what helps your hair grow and stuff like that. I also have a whole review playlist of products that I've tried. If you have any other products that you want me to try that are not down there as well, let a girl know. And my last tip for my bonnet baddies, for the girlies who protect their hair, but sometimes you're doing a little too much. Stop leaving your hair in a bonnet all day, all week. It's not it. Your scalp is a living, breathing organism.
What kind of place is this?
She needs air. She needs Like, she needs love, she needs sun, you know what I mean? So give your scalp some time to breathe, and you can give it like exposure to the air, and it can be like out and it can be thriving, because your hair wants to be outside too, just like the rest of your body. It needs like nourishment from the outside like the rest of your body. But these are my 5 hair tips for you guys to help you retain length and protect your curly hair during this winter season, passing them on from me to you. If you have any hair tips for me that you've seen to help hair growth or anything like that, let me know, and I will see y'all later. Bye.